Hey guys, Clayton with Cameo Fencing here. Welcome back to the Cameo Skill Builder series. The next thing we're going to show you how to do is how to lay out and install the brackets for your corner post. Again, what we've got is our story pole. Makes the measuring real easy. We've got our bucket of screws, our drill with our 1/4 inch bit, and we've got our corner collars. What we're going to do is I'm going to find the middle of this post and I'm going to put a mark up top. And I'm going to put one down at the bottom, right in the middle of the pole. All right. Now I'm going to take our story pole. Again, it's marked E on one side for end. It's marked C on the other side for corner. We want to use our corner post side. I'm going to set it on top of the pole, line it up with our marks, and every one of these notches indicates the top of my corner collar. So I'm just going to put a little mark there. I'm going to put a little mark here, there, and the last one at the bottom. Now that's showing me where I'm going to set my corner collars. So we'll take that off, grab 2 screws, our drill, our first corner collar. There is no up or down to this. I'm going to set it on there. Put my screw in my drill and screw it in. What you want to make sure of is these things can get crooked. Obviously that's not right, so you want to make sure that it's plumb. Well, not plumb, but level. That it's, straight up and down with the post. We'll go ahead and put our second screw in. And you don't have to crank on these screws. I mean, just snug them up, but they don't have to be super tight. There, I've got the top screw in them. I'm just going to stand back and make sure they're straight. And they all look pretty good. So we'll go ahead and put the second screw in the bottom. And there you have it, guys. There's what a corner post looks like. And again, our fence is going to be on the inside. So our line post brackets are on the inside of the fence. Our Cameo will wrap around the outside and then come back into the inside.